When it comes to home renovations, there are facelifts and there are transformations. 1503 Ashwood definitely falls into the latter category. And thanks to the team at E.C Scruggs and Sons, general contractors, you'd never know it. Let's start with the exterior, where the home went from this to this. A custom fabricated wrought iron spiral staircase leads you to a private deck, providing lovely and unexpected views. In addition to the gorgeous appearance, the grid steps and landings also create an open and airy feel. But the real metamorphosis comes inside, more specifically in the attic, where the space transformed from this to this. Amazing! The Scruggs team paid meticulous attention to every detail, from the Pello windows and sliding door with custom trim to match the rest of the home, to the custom beams, to the blown-in open cell insulation, which keeps the heat or cold out, depending on the season. Even the finishes are fantastic, from a full-size jetted tub with subway tile surround, to the apartment-sized Summit stove and refrigerator, to the Mitsubishi mini-split ductless unit. This space is absolutely ideal for either a short-term or even long-term rental. And with the solid core door mounted in the floor with interior stairs made from reclaimed wood, there's not only a beautiful but solid and efficient connection to the rest of the home. Thanks to E.C Scruggs and Sons, 1503 Ashwood is more magnificent, more useful, and more valuable than ever before. If you're looking to make a major renovation or a minor update, look no further than Scruggs and Sons.